Ever wondered if green juice detoxes your body? Well, you're not alone. One topic that continually garners attention is the green juice detox. A tantalizing blend of leafy greens, fruits, and sometimes even spices, this verdant elixir has long been a staple in the pantries of health enthusiasts around the globe. But why, you might ask? The answer lies shrouded in a dense fog of opinions, beliefs, and claims that range from the fantastical to the downright skeptical. Our aim? To cut through the noise, debunk the myths, and get to the heart of the matter. The real story behind the green juice detox. Does it truly help in detoxification, or is it merely a placebo, its benefits more psychological than physiological? And most importantly, should you incorporate it into your diet? These are the questions that we will attempt to answer, using a blend of scientific research, expert views, and real-life experiences. Let's dive into the world of green juice detoxes and discover the truth. Before jumping to conclusions, we must understand what a green juice detox actually is. So, let's dive right in. A green juice detox is a regimen that involves consuming only fresh, raw green vegetable juices for a certain period. This could range from a single day to an entire week or more, depending on the individual's preference and tolerance. The crux of a green juice detox lies in its ingredients. The primary components are, as you might have guessed, green vegetables. These usually include nutrient-dense leafy greens like spinach and kale, along with other green veggies such as cucumber, celery, and broccoli. Some people also like to add a touch of fruit like green apples or lemons to add a hint of sweetness and enhance the flavor of the juice. Additionally, herbs and spices like ginger, parsley, and mint can be added for an extra kick. The process is simple yet potent. The vegetables and fruits are thoroughly washed, chopped, and then juiced using a juicer. The resulting liquid is a concentrated source of nutrients packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's this nutrient-dense concoction that you consume during a green juice detox. The common belief surrounding these detoxes is that they cleanse the body. The idea is that by consuming only the juice, you're giving your digestive system a break from processing solid foods. This, in theory, allows your body to focus on eliminating toxins and waste, leading to a cleanse or detoxification. Furthermore, the high concentration of nutrients in the juice is thought to enhance your body's natural detoxification processes, while also boosting your overall health and well-being. It's like a reset button for your body, leaving you feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and revitalized. Now that we know what a green juice detox is, it's time to explore if it truly holds the power to cleanse our bodies. Detoxification sounds promising, but what does science have to say about it? Well, let's dive in. Detoxification is a natural process that our bodies perform every day. It's not some mystical, elusive concept that only happens during a juice cleanse or after a yoga retreat. It's a crucial part of our body's daily routine. Now, let's talk about the stars of the detoxification show, the liver and kidneys. The liver is like the body's very own waste treatment plant. It processes everything we consume, including food, drink, and medications. Its job is to separate the useful nutrients from the potentially harmful substances. Once separated, these toxins are then sent to the kidneys. The kidneys, the dynamic duo of detox, act as the body's filtration system. They work tirelessly, filtering out toxins from the bloodstream and excreting them through urine. These two organs are the unsung heroes of our bodies, diligently working to keep us healthy and toxin-free. But detoxification doesn't stop there. Our lungs, skin, and even our digestive system all play a part in the detox process. Our lungs expel carbon dioxide, a byproduct of our body's metabolic processes each time we exhale. Our skin, the largest organ of our body, serves as a protective barrier and also helps eliminate toxins through sweat. And our digestive system? It keeps things moving along, ensuring that waste products don't stick around for too long. It's clear that our bodies are well-equipped detoxification machines. They work around the clock to keep us clean and healthy, without the need for juice cleanses or detox diets. But this doesn't mean that we can't give our bodies a little help. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate hydration can all support our body's natural detoxification processes. They can help our organs function at their best, ensuring that we're effectively eliminating toxins and maintaining optimal health. So, if our bodies are already designed to detoxify themselves, where does the green juice come in? The body seems fully equipped to detoxify itself. So, where does green juice come in? Green juice might not be the magical detox potion, but it can play a significant role in boosting the body's natural detoxification process. Let's dive into the nutritional powerhouse that is green juice and uncover how it supports your body's detoxification. Many of the ingredients typically found in green juice are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients are like the supporting actors in the grand play that is your body's detox process. Take kale, for instance. This leafy green is a staple in most green juice recipes. Loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like calcium and potassium, it's practically a multivitamin in vegetable form. These vitamins and minerals work in tandem to support your body's natural detoxification pathways. Then there's spinach, another popular green juice ingredient. It's packed with potent antioxidants like beta-carotene and vitamin C, which combat harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause damage to cells if left unchecked. By neutralizing these free radicals, antioxidants help prevent cellular damage and support the body's detoxification process. Let's not forget about celery, a hydrating ingredient often found in green juices. Its high water content helps flush out toxins from the body, while its abundant supply of vitamins A, K, and C, along with minerals like potassium and folate, further support detoxification. Finally, consider the addition of fruits like apples or lemons. Not only do they add a touch of sweetness to your green juice, they also bring in their own set of detox-supporting nutrients. Apples, for example, contain pectin, a type of fiber that aids in removing toxins from the body. Lemons, on the other hand, are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that also aids in detoxification. These ingredients, along with others often found in green juice, work synergistically to support your body's natural detoxification process. They provide the essential nutrients your body needs to effectively and efficiently eliminate toxins. So, while green juice might not detox your body directly, it definitely supports the process. After all this, you must be wondering, should you buy into the green juice trend? Let's take a step back and consider everything we've covered so far. We've delved into the mysterious world of green juices, broken down what a green juice detox actually entails, and we've even demystified the science that underpins the process of detoxification. Then, we looked at how green juices can serve as a booster for our body's inherent detoxification system. But where does this leave us? Is a green juice detox the magical solution to all our health woes? Well, not exactly. Here's the thing. While green juice might not be the detoxifying elixir some claim it to be, it's not without its merits. A well-made green juice is packed with essential nutrients, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, all of which are crucial for maintaining good health. These nutrients support your body's natural detoxification processes, helping your liver and kidneys to effectively remove toxins from your body. Furthermore, the act of juicing breaks down the cell walls of fruits and vegetables, making these nutrients more readily available for absorption. This means you're getting a concentrated dose of goodness with every sip. So, should you be drinking green juice? Absolutely, but not for the reasons you might think. Don't view it as a miraculous detox potion, but rather as a nutrient-rich supplement to a balanced diet. It's a fantastic way to ensure you're getting your daily dose of fruits and veggies, particularly if you struggle to consume enough through your meals. Just remember, green juice is not a magic bullet. It's not a replacement for a balanced diet, regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and other healthy lifestyle habits. But it can certainly be a valuable addition to your wellness routine. So the next time you sip on your green juice, remember, you're not just detoxing, you're nourishing your body too. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health insights. Until next time, stay healthy.